Hello friends! This short review will be dedicated to the special connectors of the type XT60, which are used for connection of lithium-ion or lithium polymer batteries. For the proper connection of plus and minus, usually I use such type of connectors, so-called CCTV, female and male, but such connectors cannot withstand the current more than 7 or 8 amps. That's why I decided to use these XT60 connectors. I really didn't expect that it's a bit difficult to connect them and moreover to disconnect them. So it's very hard to do it. But after soldering to the wire, the process of disconnection or connection becomes more easy. So you can see the converter. Even it's possible to use these wires to connect and disconnect. As to the soldering process, during soldering nothing was damaged here, so plastic is really good, and also this plastic was not damaged. I have read various reviews where users write that some connectors have certain problems with the plastic because the plastic cannot withstand high temperature of the soldering iron. So with these connectors everything is okay, and I can really recommend this set of connectors. Thanks for watching, wish you good luck.